Hi guys, welcome back to my 50s and Fabulous channel. In this video, I'll be talking about menopause, symptoms of menopause, and how we can manage these symptoms. There's been a lot in the media recently about menopause, and frankly, we do not talk enough about it. I do have some notes which I'll be referring to from time to time, so please bear with me on this. So what is menopause? Menopause is when we stop seeing our periods due to lower hormone levels. And this can be between the ages of 45 and 55. We also have what we call perimenopause, where for some women, possibly in their mid-30s, while they're still having their periods, they're experiencing symptoms of menopause. And this could be for whatever reason. It could be because of health reasons. Also, it could be of an unknown origin. In terms of some signs and symptoms that women experience during menopause and perimenopause would be things like anxiety, brain fog, hot flushes, irregular periods, and mood swings. And some of these impact some women greatly from one extreme to the next. And in fact, luckily for some women, they experience no symptoms at all. They're really lucky. We really need to hone in on this, and we really need to seek help where we need it. This is just so important because there's been reports of women having to give up their jobs or having to take long periods of sickness because they're really so ashamed, or they really do not talk about or seek help with what's going on with them. And really, there shouldn't be any scenario where we feel so ashamed or afraid to access help with regards to our menopausal experience. There are lots of lifestyle changes that we can make in terms of helping the symptoms of menopause and perimenopause. And it would be things like getting plenty of rest, taking care of ourselves. As women, we find the time to take care of everyone else around us, but very little time is spent on ourselves. Anyone will tell you, friends, family, colleagues, they know I am really big on self-care. So whether that means taking myself for a massage, a facial, just doing anything to replenish and to relax, that's going to be of huge benefit to a lot of us women. Eating a healthy, balanced diet. Some women report having good or kind of positive effects from changing their diet, doing a juice fast, or complementing their diet with juices, green juices, or lots of different kind of mix of juices that's been reported to help relieve menopausal symptoms. Also having calcium-rich foods. We need to make sure that we're taking care of our bones at this point. That's so important. So calcium-rich foods, we do need that. We also need vitamin D to help to keep our bones strong. And exercising regularly. So whether that means we are then going to do some Pilates, yoga, whichever form of exercise, it certainly will be of some benefit to us while we go through our menopause. Doing relaxing things, Tai Chi, talking to other people again, and seeking help from a healthcare professional. Lots of women also consider HRT, which is hormone replacement therapy. There are also other natural and other alternative therapies out there which women can tap into if they need it. I just really wanted to say that there is no reason for us not to seek the help that we need in this phase of our lives. At the end of the day, we will all go through this phase at some point. You know that society, they promote youthfulness and all of this, but there is no getting away from the menopause. So let us embrace this stage that we are in, take care of ourselves, and just make sure we're loving ourselves also during this process. I hope you enjoy this video. Hope you find it useful. Please like, subscribe, and put your notifications on to be aware of the videos when they come through. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one.